Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang. This is the show where I eat stuff that's spicy and you just kind of sit there and go, whoa, dude, I wouldn't eat that. Anyways, I've got one from South Korea. This is Paldo Teumsae cheese Tteokbokki, and this is a rice cake, okay? They're like little tubes of wonderful get a load of that, and that's what I'm going to scarf down. It's just after 8 in the morning. This is the only time I'm gonna have to do this today. I've got a lot to do. Yeah, this should be something else. And with me, of course, are Mimi and Miles. Mimi has a baby and Miles has a banana. And today they are going to basically shoot the starting gun for this mukbang. So, hey Miles, how you doing?
I'm good.
How you doing, Mimi?
Good.
All right. Can you get a ready, set, go?
Ready, set, go!
All right, thank you. Here we go.
Here we go.
This is good. I like this one. As for the spicy level, it's really not killing me. Yep. Very chewy. I like it usually a little softer. This one got cooked in the microwave, so boiling this would definitely be like, give them like 7 minutes boiling. They're gonna be soft. It's like as soft can be. Nice heat. Surprisingly sweet. I will say that much. Children being creepy. They're muttering and making fun of my eating noises. They're being very silly. Oh. Now it's getting spicy. You know what my daughter did yesterday? I was picking her up, got her off the bus. She went in front of the bus driver, bent over, and made a fart noise. That's not funny. You shouldn't do that. That's totally rude. The bus driver was like laughing and she was like, wow, did you see that? What she just did? And I'm like, I see it all too often. You don't want to be known as the fart girl. Man. So hey guys, do I have to drink this?
Yes.
I do?
Yes.
Okay. Here we go. Done. How'd I do?
Good.
It's pretty spicy. Miles, how'd I do?
Done, Papa.
I'm all done?
Yes.
Alright. All done. Alright. This has been Hans, and this has been...
Miles.
And this has been...
Mimi.
Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
It's another day.
If you see this one, try it. It's got a nice heat to it, but it's really quite pleasant. Have a good one.
Bye.